Oh, yeah! Alright, it's quickly become a disaster. I should have mounted this thing just flat, slid it together like Project Binky. I pumped the tires back up. That just forced me to jack this up. It looks kind of right, but then you realize this whole thing's at a bunch of weird angles. The floor is not even. It's like sloped this way. It's just a mess. So I'm just gonna weld some guides onto here and just make all this straight, measure the wheelbase, and be done with it. Oh yeah! Except that side's fucked. Now we just weld it together and sort it out later. It looks like I can stretch the car kind of back to get the same angles, and I'm just gonna now make sure the wheelbase can be the same when I put it there. Does that make sense? I gotta make sure that I'm not just like totally out of my mind, like off. This place is getting trashed. Okay, got a tape measure here. So, quick calculations show that the left side of the car is 3/4 of an inch right now longer than the right. And the gap is about a 1/2 inch, not 3/4 of an inch. So that means I'm gonna have to let a little bit out of this, tighten that, I believe, and then snug this until we're even. Like, there's no way to know, I'm just making this up, like totally making this up. We didn't jig this thing. This is like a fun project car. I'm gonna like just do it old school, like tape measures. It'll work. These guides are gonna allow me to measure the distance effectively, so that I know this thing's kind of even here, and then I'll measure the wheelbase and I'll tack it all in place. And I'll use this when I'm done. I'll cut that out. We got ourselves 80. Holy jeez, are you kidding me? I'm gonna need to do much better tweaking and measurements and straightening and bending and flexing before everything's super finalized. But it looks like I'm 80 inches lip to lip on my measurements. There, like I don't like the angle here. This needs to be, I think, tilted up a little bit. So I want to measure this versus over there, although they look kind of identical, to be honest. Yeah, I should pump the rear tires up and see what happens to the area that I cut out here. But like, it looks like my angle is okay. It looks like the back end could come up a little bit. Okay, I think I need to go jack that side like I did to this to smooth it a bit, maybe. Comes in at a cool angle though, I like that. Yeah, it works for me. I can use a clamp, tuck this side like a mill when I do the final tacking and plating. I want to get the back attached to this and get it back onto its tires again. So it's like a normal car. So that'll happen now. Everything's a mess. Let's just ram it up. Ramming speed, Captain. Alright. Measured it. Same. Close enough. Just thought it'd be a lot easier to like stick. Pump this baby up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Lower tires, raising tires, shimming, jacking, trying to get it all the straight. Get that? Right.